Hello and welcome to Online Q's, your YouTube channel for online queries. Now in this video I'll show you how you can use your internet banking for your Bank of America accounts. Just make sure that you open up a web browser and on a new tab go to bankofamerica.com like you see over here on my web browser. So when you are when the home page loads, you will see the login option right here on the screen on the home page itself. So what you need to do is type in your online ID for your internet banking account of your Bank of America account. So when you finish typing the online ID, you can type in your passcode, and if you think that your account will be mishandled and that it's quite safe on your PC and you're not using anybody else's PC right now, you can tick next to save online ID. This will make sure that your ID is saved unless you sign up yourself or you clear your browser's cache or password option from any browser that you have, and click on sign in. From here itself you can reset your ID, recover your ID or your passcode for your Bank of America online banking account, which is on this forget login online ID and passcode page. You just need to provide your card number, which is your Bank of American account number, that is your last 6 digits, and you need to provide your social security number or your tax ID number which is associated with your Bank of America account, that is, and then click on continue, and then type in the sensitive information that you might have. Please do not show this information to someone else if you do not have confidence in that person, because mishandling of an account begins from there. And you can also enroll from this login option itself. You can type in the information required to open up an account, and when the account is created you might need to go into your nearest branch location to validate your Bank of America account and collect information like your bank account number and ATM card. So this is how you can log into your Bank of America online banking login on the Bank of America website. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on our channel.